Forget bland keyboards. This NIELONGHCY mechanical marvel claims to transform your desk into a vibrant gaming hub. But does it actually live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into the NIELONGHCY USB-wired ergonomic mechanical gaming keyboard, an 87-key powerhouse designed for PC and laptop users. Right out of the box, the first thing that grabs your attention is the promise of its lighting. With 9 distinct LED backlight modes, including a cool boot animation, this keyboard isn't just about functionality, it's about setting the mood. Imagine your setup bathed in dynamic light, creating an immersive atmosphere that truly pulls you into the game. It's not just a static glow. These modes really add a layer of excitement to your gaming sessions or even just late-night typing. The white color of the keyboard itself provides a clean canvas for these lights to truly pop. But aesthetics are only half the story, right? Let's talk about the feel. This keyboard boasts blue switches, and for anyone who loves that classic mechanical keyboard experience, these are a treat. They deliver that satisfying tactile bump and an audible click with every keystroke. It's a sound that gamers often crave for that instant feedback, and typists appreciate for its responsiveness and accuracy. It makes every press feel deliberate and precise, whether you're executing a complex combo or just hammering out an email. Comfort is another huge factor, especially for those marathon gaming sessions or long workdays. The NIELONGHCY keyboard features an ergonomic design, specifically crafted to reduce wrist strain and combat fatigue. This isn't just a buzzword. A well-designed ergonomic profile can genuinely make a difference in how long and how comfortably you can use your keyboard. It's a thoughtful touch that shows this isn't just about flashy lights and clicky keys. And for convenience, it's packed with 11 combinations of multimedia shortcut keys. Need to adjust the volume, skip a track, or pause your music without alt-tabbing out of your game? These shortcuts make it seamless, keeping you focused on what matters. Plus, it's completely plug and play. No drivers, no complicated software installations. Just plug it into your PC or laptop, and you're good to go. That kind of user-friendliness is always a huge win. So, what's the verdict on this NIELONGHCY mechanical gaming keyboard? It truly delivers on its promises. From the captivating backlight modes and the satisfying blue switches to its ergonomic comfort and convenient multimedia controls, it offers a compelling package for anyone looking to elevate their desktop experience. It's a solid, responsive, and visually engaging keyboard that makes both gaming and typing a genuine pleasure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.